Good everyone, it's DSU Panther here. Today we are finally doing what everyone is wanting me to do, and we are changing the steering wheel on my Polo. Now I've already got a head start. I've literally disconnected the battery just so we can get a head start. This is not a tutorial, but I will tell you how to do it. It's not easy, it's going to be a very difficult video, and it's very windy today, so I'm sorry if there's any wind that affects this video. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Also shout out to Calvin for sending me out the NAF hoodie. If you don't know Calvin Car Diary, he does the hoodies and he does all the trading and the car trading and that. But yeah, he sent me out the hoodie, so thank you to Calvin. Go check him out because he helped me on my YouTube channel. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's show you the steering wheel that we have got. We've got a mad steering wheel. But yeah, like and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so as you can see right now, this is the steering wheel we have got. Now I've gone with the carbon fibre effect with the red line in the middle and some perforated leather. I didn't want suede or Alcantara like I've got now because it goes all horrible and soggy, and also I'm going to have this for a very long time, so I wanted it to last longer. So yeah, so this is what you get in the box from MS Customs. If you do want to go and get it, I will link in the description. I think they are sold out at the moment, but you will be restocking these very soon. But yeah, so this is the steering wheel. It's literally an alt-rated replacement. All these clips here are all going to be going back into that wheel, so you don't need to buy any clips. But I do at some point want to buy a black surround or carbon fibre surround, because it's going to look weird with silver and black, but you know, it is weird, isn't it? As you can see in the boot, we have disconnected the battery, and you do actually have to take all that stuff out. You literally have to take all the plastic clips all the way around here. You guys will know how to do that. It's not rocket science. Just get all these clips out, and you take your spare wheel out, take all that out, and then this is a 13mm to get the battery clips out there, and then you disconnect the positive, which is literally there, and then you're ready. So we're going to get into this, try and take the wheel off, steering wheel, and see how it goes.
The next day.
Right, so it's actually the next day, and we didn't fit the steering wheel.
What?
We couldn't fit it. We couldn't get the two clips off on the airbag. So today I'm going to be going to my mate, and he's going to be fitting it for me. If you do want anything fitting for steering wheels, airbag covers, anything like that, please go and hit him up. I will leave his Instagram below right now, and also all the links in the description to his Instagram, so you guys can go and get it done. It's about an hour-and-a-half journey. I've got the GoPro set up there, and we're going to get on the way. I've got to go to Tyre Point first, follow Tyre Point here, just to get my alignment sorted, because I went down a pothole the other night and it was very evil, so I've got to go and get that sorted, but I'm not going to video that because there's no point. But yeah, so shout out to Tyre Point, put me in last minute, and then we're going to be heading all the way to, I don't know where I'm actually going, in the middle of nowhere from me, but yeah, we're going to be heading down to him, getting the steering wheel on at last, because I know you guys have been waiting to see this. So let's get on the way, let's go and see what the steering wheel looks like on, and I'll see you guys once we are there. What is good everyone, we are now in the car, we are now on our way to go and see my mate. He's going to be fitting my steering wheel today. We're about a half an hour away. I did originally start filming, but the camera died, so yes, we are about half an hour away now into the journey, so 28 minutes it says until we get there, then we can put the steering wheel on. The weather is horrible today, it's really bad rain. But yeah, so today is the big day, the steering wheel is going on. Hopefully my alignment is sorted as well, because it is still out and I'm not quite sure why. It's very annoying. Some old Golf just tried to race me and it's not even worth my petrol. But yeah, so I'm going to meet you guys when we are there. I'm going to turn the camera around and you guys can, I'll probably just fast forwards driving. It's all motorway anyway by the looks of it. But yeah, I'm going to have my tunes on, and then we're going to get on our way to there. So yeah, horrible weather, not nice weather, but luckily we've got the Michelins on now, so we don't have to worry about the rain too much, but it's a little bit sketchy, but yeah, we'll be alright. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys when we are there. Long journey, but it's worth it. It's better than driving all the way to Manchester to get it fitted, so yeah, I'll catch you guys when we are there.
Can get shot or stabbed trying to fight or thought about putting him out to sleep with my right hand. Don't want this smoke.
smoke, she hit the block, now boyfriend foreign. Yeah, send her back by me, send him out. Yeah, I'm a pagan still up on my own block.
What is good, everyone? We are now in the car with the steering wheel on. I couldn't film it because he didn't want to be on camera, and I don't want to put people under pressure on camera, and also it was very fiddly to do. I don't recommend doing this at home. I'd recommend taking this steering wheel. If you're going to do it, take it to some professional that knows what they're doing, because it is so hard to do. Don't do it yourself. You're going to break stuff. I recommend taking it to someone. Please just take it to someone, and your car, your steering wheel will look sick. I will leave all these links in descriptions if you do want to do it. I don't know if he's going to be doing another Polo, but yeah, it's a pain to do. But yeah, so if you do want to do it, go and let me know. Go and leave all the links in the description. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the reveal of the steering wheel, what it looks like on, and then we'll talk a bit more about it. It is getting dark, but I want to finish this video for you guys on a Friday, get it up for Friday at 7:30. So yeah, let's get into this. Yeah, as you guys can see, it is a flat bottom steering wheel, no LEDs in it, but it's all carbon fibre, the GTI badge, and everything here is the same as the stock one. The only thing we changed was the whole steering wheel. I got perforated leather because I didn't want to keep faffing around with all the levers and the suede and the Alcantara. My old wheel is in the box, but we got this one. This is the one that I'm going to be keeping on the car for a very long time. Hope you guys did enjoy the cinematics. But yeah, this wasn't a tutorial by any means. This was literally me getting the wheel sorted, because I don't recommend doing this yourself. Take it to someone, as I have already said. Please take it to someone. Honestly, this is such a pain. But yeah, look how good this looks. It feels so much better when gripping as well, because you've got this perforated leather all the way around here. So yeah, if you do want this wheel, MS Customs, links will be in the description if you do want to cop it, because I do recommend this wheel. It feels so much better than the other wheel. Yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a very long video to film. Just took me a bit of time because obviously I had different things going on. Had to take 2 days to fit the steering wheel. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.